Let's make dinner. Tonight, we are going to be having chicken drumsticks. And slide up underneath and go. And slide up under. And one more with a good giant. Ooh. Just kidding. But yeah, once you get it open, you're just gonna peel it all back. And then we're gonna start the lippy defrost. Got under meaty meat. Close door. Defrost 39 pounds. And just let that cook all the way down to about 7. And then it'll be all defrosted and ready to go. And then when you get it out, it's all nice and defrosted. And it's poppable, which is exactly what you want. Okay, so we're going to slide that way. Bring in your Pyrex. Pour a little bit water in the bottom. Splash. Rotate it. And then you're just going to set out your chicken in the places that you want them. There you go. I'm just going to do 3 tonight. Now, you're going to pour a little bit more warm water over all of it, which will help your seasonings to stick. And grab your seasoning. My go-to is Cavender's Greek seasoning. Just your all-purpose mix of it. Ooh, I need that. And you just simply shake. And make sure that gets all in the water too. And then grab hold and flip it. And again, shake. Cook it for an hour. Look like this, and you simply rotate it where the blood is, and it'll look all nice and pretty. And then you're ready to eat. Let's start our sides. You are going to need 1 3/4 cup of water. You are also going to need 1/4 cup of milk. And to make it yummy, you are going to need a tab of butter. That might have been a little bit more than a tab. But butter makes everything better, right? Right, so we're just going to, just a little bit more. There we go. Bring the mixture to a boil. Okay, now that that's up to a boil, you're going to put in your stuff. Stir. And then let it go for 7 minutes and it'll be all set. Okay, it has been 7 minutes. So we'll take this off. Do a quick stir. See how it's doing. Simply give it a good stir, remix it all. And this is a long grain version in the cheddar broccoli version. And it's one of my favorites, and I hope you like it too. Happy eating! Bye!